Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with a new yet different Google Merchant Center account restoration case study. The account was originally suspended for misrepresentation, and this is a different story because we have already created a video regarding this case study, but then the account was suspended again. And so now, right now, the account has been suspended at least for 3 times, and we got it restored for our clients. So now, which is why it it makes a very different unique case study. So let's get started on the case study we have today. So this was an account which was being provided to us at the start. You can see the customer ID over here as well. You can see it had following errors. The account was suspended for policy violation, unavailable desktop landing page on 2744 pages, unavailable mobile landing page, missing value, invalid images, promotional overlay in on images. So images were not fine, images were too small, or images not retrieved. So few of the errors were over there, and then I can show you over here as well that the account was suspended or misrepresentation. Now you can see over here that it was done after the frequent, the client itself had tried their best to get the account restored, but the account was not able to get it restored. So which is why when they trusted us, and I'm very thankful to them that they were trusted, they were patient, and they were supportive. And we had to do ample of audits, ample of communication with Google, ample of discussions, because it's an account with a 3 times suspension. So I'm going to show you over here as well. So what happened, even even they tried their own, before moving or giving the account to us. And at us, there were 3 suspensions at least, which we got them restored. So now, so you can see over here as well, like their products were never approved, and it was for a very small period of time, and then and then it's were suspended over here. So this was an account over here. So then we first of all we did the audit of the account. And when we did the audit of the account, we figured out few things, because we have a 170 plus step list to check around. We figured out some errors on footers. We suggested some pages to be added. The product pages were not having exact descriptions. We suggested unique descriptions. We did the whole checkout procedure to see if there is any issue in the checkout procedure. We looked around the contact us, map, about us page. We looked on Google Map listings. We looked on broken links, mobile speed, other pages, content, plagiarism. It was a very extensive review, you can see. And then I can even show you the site as well. So that we did almost everything, like we looked on the social media icons, and the presence of social media followers over there, the logos, the images, everything, guys. We were so much detailed in this regards. We looked on the links, we even called on the numbers to personal verify. We sent the email, we filled the even the contact form and everything. We even filled the email subscription form as well. And then it was not able to get it restored. Okay, we did further audits as well. you know we suggested them further audits. We did second audit as well, and we found some things as well, and then we discussed them. And even the email we thought that has an invalid, and we got it restored. And they were active communication done, everything was done. So even then we were failed with the account restoration. So what we did was we closed their account. You know that your review request has been completed, and we figured out misrepresentation error was over there, and the thing was over there. And then what we did was we did the account has been closed. We close the account. So you can see that we closed the account. Why? Because then we thought to provide an account from our own Google partner agency. So we provided them with another account. So the industry is in the Netherlands. So we provided them another account, and then even then after running some time, we got this error again, that their account has been suspended again. And that was a very disappointing moment for us, because we were very hopeful, because there were no such things as well. Then we did another audit, and then we saw that even the 17% plagiarism needs to be sorted. We further looked on pages to be added. We looked around on other factors, and then another interesting thing over there was that we connected with Google Search Console to see if there are any errors on the Google Search Console which are missing, if there are any payment errors as well. So we had to do the simple checkout procedure. We looked sorry looked the competitors, what kind of competitors they were running, were there any copyrighted images, what caused the issue. And communication with Google was very important. So one few of my staff was consistently in touch with Google regarding either get it restored or tell us the reason why the account is being suspended, either get it restored or tell us the reason. That communication with Google is very important, and you need to be patient, and it takes multiple times, multiple discussions, a lot of hard work is being done by my team regarding to get the account restored. And then suddenly we even got an email from Google, and that was that your account has been completed and the issue no longer appears on your account. Now this was a very happy moment for us, because that the account finally got restored, and then we even created a video and explained in detail regarding what happened. But the bad thing was that even once we did it, then after like 4 days of running ads, the account went into suspension again. So what Google said this time was, thank you for listing or selling your products across our shopping experience on Google. Unfortunately, we found an issue with your account that requires the detection misrepresentation. As a result, your product listing and or shopping ads have limited visibility or an unavailable for display users. So, that was now a very disappointing moment for us, because we got the account approved, running, then got suspended again, and then we got the review done, we got it approved. So that was a very, very heartbreaking moment for us, because then our we were like, oh, that is very, very bad thing happened with the Google. So then what we did was, we had a discussion with Google again, and we had a very extensive discussion with Google. We even discussed on further things, each and everything were looked around. We installed some optimization based tools as well, which also helped in SEO. And we also added some social media engagement. We even further looked for broken links, even the links we were pointing, we looked on that as well. We looked at the Google My Business profile as well, if there was an issue on that. And then we finally got another email that the requested review of misrepresentation has been completed and the issue no longer appears in your budget account. So first we got the old account restored, we got a new account, it was approved after running, then suddenly it was suspended, we got it restored, then it again went into suspension, and then we got it restored. So now I'm gonna show you the exact account, and I'm gonna refresh you, so guys have an idea that it's not an artificial. So you can see over here that now we got it approved, running, this is a new account, and then it got suspended again and then we got it approved and running, and then it got suspended again, and then we got it back up and running for our clients. So yeah, this is another successful case study. So now there were two to three things which are very interesting, which I want to share with you guys. Is first of all, that you need to be very, very patient, because it takes multiple tries. Google is so big with their checklist, so huge tries, huge. We may have to look even the smallest details, even in the right review policy or like refund policy. And if you have wrongly added a wrong date over there, your account can get suspended. So you have to look on the very even smallest details to get the account back. So yeah, we did around looked around those as well. That was a very hard time for us, hard time for our client. It took us so many things. So need to be patient is the first thing. Second is consistent communication with Google. Okay guys, you need to be very, very consistent with communication now, because we have a team, we have multiple staff. One is communicating with Google, another one is communicating with Google, another one is communicating with the Google. We have multiple email channels on. We are a Google partner company, we have a dedicated manager. We are pressurizing them, either get it restored or tell us where is the reason where we are wrong. So it took us a lot work in communication, and then on our audits to see if there is an issue on the website, to see if there is an issue even in the Google Merchant Center account. Sometimes there is an issue in the Google Merchant Center account, and that could cause suspension. So we looked around each and everything over here, either the billing details are being written correctly, the checkout policy page is listed, any feed issues, any other issues, or anything which can cause account suspension. So After doing, even you can see that even right now we have two things, left, but these are just small minor issues. So after all this hassle, I like to dedicate this unsuspension to my staff who made sure, or who ensured, to get the account back at any cost from a client, and then to my client who was patient, who had trust on us and my team to get it back up and running. So yeah, this as another successful case study regarding Google Merchant Center account, which was suspended for misrepresentation. So guys, if you are looking for a professional help in restoring your Google Merchant Center account, or in case if you need help with Google Ads disapprovals, Google Ads management, SEO, Facebook Ads management, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us. I hope you like this detailed case study of an account which went into at least 3 times for a suspension and then we got it back. So, but still, in case if you have any question left, you are more than welcome to write the comments of this video. In case if you're looking for a professional consultation, again, you can hire us through the link in the description and get started working with us, and we're going to help to make sure to get your Google Merchant Center account restored, Google Ads account restored, Bing Ads account restored, Google Ads disapproved, even Google Ads or SEO management services or Facebook Ads management. So we will love to work around with you guys. So once again, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video as well. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.